name is Asante Bona. I go to Horizon Science Academy, Columbus High School, and my plans is that I'll be studying biological sciences at Harvard University in the fall. I've been with Horizon since kindergarten, so 13 years now. Throughout the years, it's just been a good experience because I got to meet a lot of people and my surroundings is very diverse.
For many of you, Horizon was a new experience, but it's the new experiences that teach us the most.
The school is really doing a good job with what they have, and I like how they're trying to expand and build certain pathways and extracurriculars to make the classroom experience more fun and diverse. My teachers supported me throughout the whole entire high school experience, from being with me in the classrooms to being with me outside the classrooms. They helped me find topics that I liked. They helped me develop my interests. Every time I was struggling with something or I needed help with fixing my science fair experiments not going well and everything's falling apart, they'd always be there to find a solution and help me throughout the whole entire thing.
Teachers play a very good role at Horizon Science Academy because teachers give them the technical knowledge that they need to excel. They also help them to develop their skills and their talents. They also make sure that they are on track.
You're a Horizoner worthy of being seen, heard, recognized, and supported. I'm eager to see what life has in store for all of us and to witness the next part of all of our stories. Congratulations, thank yourselves, thank your supporters, and thank God.
Starting as a 4-year-old in Horizon Kindergarten Elementary School to now graduating Horizon High as a senior, I feel very thankful for all that Horizon has done because Horizon has been with me since the very beginning. I feel relieved because I've been waiting for graduation for a long time. So now that it's finally here, I'm anticipating what's to come in the future. My parents are always there for me to support me financially, to support me emotionally, to help me with everything because I do a lot of extracurriculars and they'd always be there to drive me around.
I do encourage all parents at least to have some time for their children and to know what they're doing at school, ask them questions, and make sure that they do their homework, and they make sure that they do their homework on time, and also try to participate in all school programs if they can.
I was taking honors classes because in the middle school I was put in the honors class. So for math class, I went straight taking geometry, and after that, that's when the school talked about the College Credit Plus program. So I would say that's a good start. The College Credit Plus program is a way for you to challenge yourself so you don't have to stick with the high school courses that might be too simple or not as challenging. When you take those college classes, you're introduced to that kind of environment beforehand and you know what to expect, and it helps you to stay prepared earlier on. So as a sophomore, I started taking College Credit Plus classes, and as I continued, I was able to earn my Associates of Science degree at Columbus State Community College. And as a senior, I also took the pharmacy technician class, so I was able to become certified as well by the end of my senior year. I think what really built my college acceptance was not just the in-classroom experiences, but it was really the out-of-classroom experiences. So all the extracurriculars, personally, I was involved in volleyball, track, and science fair the most. Step out of your box, try new things, because even though I wasn't really into public speaking, I tried spoken word, and I tried law and leadership. I did mock trials. I applied to outside organizations. Just doing all of those things is what really helped me to grow as a person, and I was able to reflect it in my applications. And I would say all the support is what helped me to get into Harvard. Take advantage of what you have, even if it's not very much. You can make a lot with the small things that you have. So take advantage of the resources given to you, and don't be afraid to step outside of your box.
Concept Schools has a lot of things outside of school in terms of academics that you should really encourage your students to participate in. Like they have spoken word, science fairs, robotics. It's like there's different things in our club. In our school we have media arts club. And it's like you get to find what you want to do and pursue. And I think that's what helps it more outside of the classes.
So I plan to study medicine in the future. I'm going to pursue the health fields. I'm interested in cardiology, but I don't really know what specific kind of physician I want to be yet.